Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable redeeming rewards on the US Bank mobile app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the US Bank mobile app on your device. Log in using your credentials. On the home screen, locate the rewards icon. Tap on the rewards icon to access the rewards section. In the rewards section, look for the option to enable redeeming rewards. Select the option to enable redeeming rewards. Review the terms and conditions presented. If you agree to the terms, proceed by checking the box or toggling the switch. Next, confirm your selection by tapping on the Save or Confirm button. Once enabled, you will receive a notification confirming the activation. Now, you can start redeeming your rewards through the app. Explore the various reward options available to you. Select a reward that interests you. Follow the prompts to complete your reward redemption. Make sure to check your account balance to ensure your rewards were successfully applied. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app. Enjoy making the most of your rewards through the US Bank mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.